Thinking about going vegan? What actually happens to your body in the first 30 days might shock you. From energy shifts and gut changes to clearer skin and even mood boosts, this video breaks it down week by week, backed by science. Stick around because you might never look at food the same way again. Week 1. Detox plus energy shift. Week 1 is all about detox. You're suddenly eating more fiber, fewer processed foods, and likely no animal fats. Your body starts flushing out toxins, but this can come with fatigue, headaches, or even bloating as your gut adjusts. Don't panic. This is totally normal. Your system is recalibrating. Week 2. Gut plus skin reactions. By week 2, something incredible starts to happen. Your gut bacteria begins shifting. Fiber feeds good microbes, and this boosts digestion and immune health. Skin may also begin to clear up. Inflammatory foods are gone, and that shows on your face. But some people experience breakouts or temporary changes as the body detoxes through the skin. Be patient. Week 3. Energy boost plus deeper sleep. Week 3 is where most people feel a real shift. Energy goes up, digestion improves. You may find yourself sleeping more deeply and waking up lighter. Your body is now operating on clean fuel, more antioxidants, less inflammation. Week 4. Mood plus mental sharpness. By week 4, your brain joins the party. Many people report improved mood stability, focus, and mental clarity. This may be due to less systemic inflammation, better blood sugar control, and possibly a deeper connection to food and intention. But it's not all rainbows. Going vegan can lead to deficiencies in B12, iron, omega-3s, or protein if not planned carefully. Be sure to eat a variety of whole foods and supplement when needed. Knowledge is power. So, what happens when you go vegan for 30 days? Your body cleanses, heals, and reveals what it truly needs. And the best part? You're in control of what happens next. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe to Healthology, where wellness meets wisdom.